lumpia too, but it's called something else because it's like a dessert lumpia. Pork buns? Street food. Yeah.
Nice, nice. SnoopyEats, fall weight with brother Neil from Junk Food Junction up in the marketplace. All kinds of food, all kinds. Every day I'm getting better. Prayers and healing for myself and everybody that needs it. I see there's a lot of people that need some help. So I'm gonna do a sage burning as soon as I get a chance, and anybody who has prayer requests, hit me up. Let's keep each other strong. Alright. Anyway, it's your boy SnoopyEats Fallway signing out. Weekend's almost here, y'all. Yay, yay. Black on black, always looking crispy. What's going on, YouTube? Back with another work bang. Just wanted to give a big shout out first of all to my brother that's back, man. Finally, Mukbang and Chill, brother Terrell. You guys go check him out. He's back. Shout out to you, brother. It was good seeing you earlier. We're just gonna do a quick little review. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I'm hungry. It's my lunchtime now. So we're doing Harvey's, y'all. She only gave me 2 ketchup. Man, her service was really good, but she only gave me 2 ketchup, y'all. Okay, so I never had this, so I got some onion rings. The onion rings are pretty good. I got some sriracha mayo, and I got some tzatziki on the side here. Let me fix this a little bit. 2 packages of ketchup. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. And then I got 2 apple pies. Plate. Sauce open real quick. Excuse the lighting, y'all. This has got to do with it. So yeah, man, brother Terrell is back. It was good to see everybody, all the family up in his life. And brother, be careful when you out there on the road, man, for real. Just try this onion ring and this tzatziki sauce. Pretty good. Try the sriracha. Fire right there. So this is from Harvey's. I don't know if it's just a Canadian thing. This is the thumbnail right there. This is the fish. So got a little jalapeno on there, sauce, lettuce, tomato, a little bit of onion. And then, like I said, I never had this one, so I'm gonna go in, y'all, and just try this out. Taste the freshness of the fish. The outside is nice and crispy, but there's no real like seasoning on it. So it's kind of bland, but it tastes good though. So, what I was talking to Brother Terrell from Mukbang and Chill about, he said he's thinking about coming out this way. So, I'm just brainstorming and thinking that I think a great collab would be myself. So it'll be SnoopyEats, it'll be Mukbang and Chill, Black Hoodie if he's down, Flavors by Dame Dash, and Quan Tran. If we can get together at the same time. See, that's the thing, right? Because I know Quan Tran, he lives pretty far away. He's in Edmonton. Canada's huge, so. If he can come down, that would be amazing. Also, congratulations to my lovely homegirl, Mickey XOXO. You guys go check her out, man. She's a loving, kind person. Great support on here on YouTube, and she just hit her 4K. So congratulations on hitting that milestone right there, Mickey. That sauce is hitting. Also, congratulations to Itzwani, another awesome homegirl of mine, fellow mukbanger. Cutie Q. Sorry. Yeah, shout out to Cutie Q too. Cutie Eats. Much love to you too, homegirl. Who else did I see in there? Oh, I seen Faye Squad. I seen two squads up in there. I seen Faye Squad. We seen my lovely C Squad. Auntie J, of course. I actually gotta get a hold of you, Auntie J, because those corn dogs that you be smacking on be banging. I seen Korean corn dogs. I want to learn how to make that. I want to start doing some Korean food. Right now on my channel, y'all, I'm just pretty much just a mukbang here and there, a couple lives, but I am planning, the weather's getting better out here in Canada, so I am planning on doing some food vlogs in Toronto, and then use my camera for that. I'm gonna need some help with transferring that to laptop and editing and all that, but right now I do everything off my phone, so pretty much most of us do just use our phones for now, which is cool. The thing with me is just work and it's time consuming, you know what I mean? Don't get a chance to really do what I want to do. I got a Dr. Pepper. It's pretty good. Would I get it again? I might give it another try later on. On a scale of 1 to 7, on the SnoopyEats 4-way rating scale, I gave it a strong 5.5. I might have to do a comparison between this fish, McDonald's fish fillet, and Burger King's. What does BK call their fish? The BK fish? got these now. Cardboard straws, which I'm down with. Stops all that plastic from going into our waters and stuff. I want to tell 7 Fairy and Funko Pop Ohana to bear with me, because there's so many challenges out right now. You got the no burp challenge, you have the exotic fruit challenge, the peanut butter and mayo challenge, what else? The kimchi challenge. I'm so behind you guys, but I still want to try. I still want to do them. I'm gonna come back with another loaded nachos. Oh yeah, hey, listen, there's no time limit on any of my challenges. If you guys want to do a loaded SnoopyEats loaded nacho challenge, go ahead, do it. So many people have done it so far, and I watched every single video. There might be 1 or 2 lurking out there I need to find from some newer YouTubers that I just became friends with, but yes, you guys can do it. Load it up, y'all, load it up. Take one more bite for y'all. I gotta get back to it. So yeah, in the comment section below, right? Let me know. I'm pretty sure everybody thinks that sounds good. SnoopyEats 408, Favors with Dave and Dash, Terrell from Mukbang and Chill. For now, if we can get Black Hoodie and Quantran on board, that'd be amazing. It'll be downtown Toronto, at any place, but I'm gonna say like a Korean barbecue spot. Multiple cameras, us, mukbangers all together, one spot, having a good time, eating, chilling, vibing, hanging out, little vlog of the city. You know, I think that'll be hella fun. So yeah, that's it for this one, folks. And if you came through to have lunch with me, thank you very much. If you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel. Please hit that red button, hit that like, and share this out to your friends. I'll be back this weekend with another mukbang, you guys. Thanks for all your support and your love. Until the next one, keep it crispy. Love y'all.